Hi, my name is Moniaga and I'm with NATV News. And I'd like to ask this lady here a couple of questions. Hi, can I please ask you for your name?
It's Henny Moniaga.
Oh, conveniently, this is my mom. Hi, Miss Honey. I would like to ask you just one question, and it means a lot to me. Do you love me?
Of course I do.
Well, you have it here, folks.
So, Mr. Allshouse, are you excited for the first day of school?
Oh, absolutely.
What class are you most excited for?
Math class.
Big math guy?
Big math guy.
Thank you.
What period are you most excited for?
Well, lunch was always a good one, right?
Lunch is a great period. Would you sit by me? I have no friends at lunch.
So, Mom, are you excited for your first day of school?
I am, very much.
What class are you looking forward to the most?
Definitely foreign policy. Can't wait to meet Mr. Lyons.
I'm with Mr. Yuck here today, and I have just one question for him. How many kids do you have?
50.
So, Margaret, what are you doing here at Parents' Night?
I'm handing out schedules through people with the last name T through Z, and no one's come up to me yet.
Not many people with the last name T through Z, huh? So what are you doing at Parents' Night?
I'm also handing out schedules.
So what are you doing at Parents' Night?
I am additionally handing out schedules.
Hi, my name is Moniaga. Can I ask you a couple of questions?
Sure can, buddy.
What's your name?
John Bundy.
That is an amazing name, and I have a couple of questions for you. Why are you here today?
Have no idea.
Does your child love you?
Have no idea.
Who is the principal here at NASH?
I have no idea.
Why am I here?
I have no idea.
Why am I getting paid minimum wage?
We both know that.
So what are you doing at Parents' Night?
I as well am handing out schedules.
Hey, did you get number 3 on the homework? I was having trouble with it.
Absolutely not.
It's a real shame. A lot of schedules being handed out tonight, folks.
Hello, Mrs. Reinhardt. I'd just like to ask you just one question today.
Go ahead, Marvel.
So how are the adults behaving today?
So far, so good. It's only second period, so we'll see. But first period was well behaved. No complaints.
Typical freshman.
Do you have a favorite student?
Favorite student? I don't. I love them all. Is that what you're supposed to say?
He's lying.
You!
Do you have a favorite parent?
All of them are my favorite.
He's lying.
Hi, Mr. Warner. I'm with NATV, and I just have one question for you.
What's that?
Did you tell anybody about the yachting unit yet?
The yachting unit?
Yeah.
Yachting unit?
Excuse me, sir. How do you like the English teacher?
She seems to be good so far.
Hey, answers are right here. So, why are you here? So you also work 9 to 5? Can I please ask you just one question?
Absolutely.
Well, this is sort of like a pop quiz. Do you know who the principals are?
I don't.
Me either. Hi, my name is Marvel Moniaga, and I'm from NATV. Can I ask you one question?
You could ask me anything, Marvel.
Have any adults gone any boo-boos today?
Actually, yes. I have already dispensed bacitracin and a Band-Aid to a mommy.
Can I have a Band-Aid?
Would you like a Band-Aid?
Yeah, there's a big boo-boo, and it's inside my heart.
Well, I am so happy to help you. And, if you want, I could just put one just right there for you.
Could you do it right now?
Absolutely. There.
Yes, please.
See, your nurse is happy to help.
Thank you so much. Well, you have it here, folks. Our nurses love us. Please, come down more often.